here and I'm from CSC department. This is Lokesh and from AIDS department. He is Nirmolishwaran from Mechatronics department. She is Srinidhi from CSC department. And we have a Ludwig from EC department. So our topic is customer or employee data visualization. So large organizations,
And
of
this is
course,
based on DT methodology.
large organizations, they have decision makers, but they have more data. They are collecting the raw data from data sets and business data.
So to which company have you mapped this problem statement with Oracle?
They have decision makers, but they don't know how to make it into understandable form. They know how to do a project and they know to satisfy the customers, but they are not understanding the core value and the core need of the customers. So that's why we have our design thinking stages: empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and testing. And the empathize stage is to understand the customer needs. So first, we have to understand the customer needs, and we have to think what are the needs they have, and we have to proceed it. So that's the first stage we have, empathize.
Actually, in this, the major problem we define is the large organization possesses much of data, such as customer data and employee data, but they can't able to, but the decision makers can't able to convert it into a meaningful and explainable insights.
So why do you think the company needs to make a meaningful or targeted decision based on this data that they have? Why? What is the necessity? Is that for the well-being of the company, for the employees, or is there a strategy?
Actually, it is both well-being for the customers and the employees. Rather than searching in rows of tons and tons data, we can easily find it with visualization.
Okay. Alright.
As Srinidhi said, if we are using that means we can resolve our mistakes from the past products and launch a new product with a new idea.
Okay. Good.
Okay, I'm just going to speak about the idea. The idea is program. First, we have to organize the data because there will be signature data from customers and the employees by side. The main goal of this project is to transform information to insight into action. For that, they are going to given a solution known as Oracle Insight 360, which has a beautiful data visualization dashboard and which organizes the data and gives us a meaningful output with the data when we research for it.
Actually, talking about the dashboard, the prototype part. So, talking about the dashboard, its useful features are the visualization and data segregation, like filtering, in which a manager, for example, a manager can access an employee data based on the satisfaction score, the iteration rate, and also the overall performance of the employee. And moreover, the non-technical and technical users can easily understand useful information with clear visual hierarchy. I think the information, important insights can be viewed first, where the detailed data can be explored with visualizations.
So coming to the testing part, like the core objective is to use large data sets, organization data sets. That is the key thing. And it's not even about the data, it's about the retrieval that's the key here. So a user should just go ask a question in just plain English, natural language, and the AI has to process your stuff and exactly understand what you're asking for and should show you performance metrics or KPIs, key performance insights, and all these. So it's a mixture of this. But one thing Insight 360 did a good job is it combined the best of the CRM as well as data visualization. It's basically something like Salesforce and Tableau combined, Tableau Power BI. So one has data visualization, the other one has CRM, customer relationship management. And when you combine these two, it's like an ecosystem. A single app just comprises of all the features. You don't need to go anywhere else for third-party services. Everything is built in, and they added the AI features like they usually use heavy ML and generative AI mainly for generating the dashboards.
Alright, then that